Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can fix the no internet connection error in CapCut. Okay, so let's go to CapCut. Let's open some video. Let's try to do something. Let's try to apply 3D cartoon effect. Okay, as you can see, no internet connection. Connect to internet and try again. If you are getting this error, this is because these features are not available in your region. So what you have to do, let me close this one. Just open a VPN, connect to a VPN server, probably from USA. Okay, now let's go back and open the app again. Let's try now. Let's apply 3D. Already 3D cartoon effect is there, but let's apply again. As you can see, now it's done. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can fix the no internet connection error on CapCut. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.